building the motor, but.
Well, I know, but check this out, boys and girls. We've been out here working on the Kymco, as you can see. I'm trying to lighten it up a little bit. There we go, and the way y'all can see. But he's had it taken. We got this piston.
This is a great Malossi kit that does not fit for. I mean, like literally, this is supposed
Wait,
to be.
show him what it ain't fitting.
Yeah,
like.
this is supposed to be a Malossi kit for this bike.
Not just to mention, like he's talking about, he couldn't like back here in the with the intake.
That and we this has already been blowed up once.
Yeah.
And we actually ordered a piston off of eBay.
Immature.
That was for for this bike, 70cc, and all this good stuff.
That ain't the box. This is the box right here.
Got the piston. It actually is different. The piston
it's way different.
Had a different pin height, different port openings, and all this stuff. Well, I worked that out. I had to add a spacer for the cylinder. My own spacer. I made an aluminum spacer.
Made it by hand, by the way.
Yeah, filed it, doing it by hand. It took me about 4 hours. And as you can see here, like it fits exactly. I mean, like it's the exact shape.
So now look.
Okay, now look here.
Here's the problem.
It fits the cylinder exact. But look at this now. Look at the sides of this. On this side and this side.
That's a lot.
It's almost not even on the block. Look.
Right? Oh,
Look,
yeah, you see where it's outside especially.
There ain't probably, a few thousandths of an inch that's actually touching the block.
So that's kind of crazy.
How good of a seal is that?
Right?
Okay, well, here was the next issue I learned. On these Kymcos, if you'll notice,
If I can get back here and...
the hole here for your reeds is all on this outer side of the case. Well, look, your port, the only port it's got for the intake is on half the case. The other half is closed off. So half your seal, look right here on this. Okay, see, those are the two ports right there on top?
Yep.
Okay, only this half over here is actually open.
What the hell?
And
so both of them, yeah, but now they're both open.
Well, I took it and I had to I had to ream the piston out. I cut it over to that one side because that's the side that's open. The hole was already there, oval shaped. I ground it down further and over. So now
it's actually hitting both.
And I had to grind the entire bottom of the skirt off on the cylinder.
Yeah, it wouldn't like that, so we had to,
because literally
it's closed off.
There was an opening about half the size of a dime that was letting fuel in.
Right.
Literally, that was it.
We don't know if it's meant to do that or, I mean, it's probably killing the power.
I guarantee you that.
Like you were saying, remember you were saying like they could make these kits for all kinds of different stuff, like.
Yeah, I figured that.
But maybe the guy put the wrong kit on here.
I figured Malossi made this kit to where it would fit several different bikes, and that was probably as close as they could get it, and still make it work on multiple bikes. We'll see how this runs.
What do you think with the naked bar? Hey, check this out. This man right here. Let me get this other piece over here. That way I can really show him what you had to do and stuff. Let's see where I put it. It's around here somewhere. I've been cleaning the garage up. We got kind of a mess again.
It looks real clean.
We got kind of a mess again right now, but check this out, boys and girls. He took this right here and cut this one off the original handlebars. That was the original handlebars right there. We cut them up.
This is a Super 9 bar mount.
Or it's a 2020. It's up here 2020 Kymco Super 8.
Oh,
but they're different. So what we did was I bought this kit right here.
Actually, it was a stock bar.
It's a stock bar. Yeah, I mean off the naked bars, and we took this as stock handlebars.
It wouldn't fit.
It wouldn't fit. So he cut this piece right here off a newer model, and we re-welded it to that top plate right there that bolts onto this plate.
Yeah. What it is on the original handlebar mount, it looked like the stem was too long.
Yeah.
And like I had to take, I had to cut the stem that was on this bike factory and weld it to this top.
Yeah, see that's a piece of wood's by itself, but we cut the top of it off and we put these handlebars. You see, we cut them up so we can use these. We repurposed them.
That's the stock bars.
Oh yeah, we took and cut them apart. Yeah, they had that piece hooked to them on the bottom, so we took and cut that piece off and cut that new piece up, and we welded it, or he did, and look how good it works. Like, it's pretty damn sweet, if you ask me. Hopefully we get to take y'all for a ride in a little bit. We'll see. So we got plenty of fuel in it, so we'll see how she does in a little bit. We'll be right back. Oh boy, we're going to the Smoky Mountain Small Boat Rally come June 1st to June 3rd. Be there or be eaten by a bear. Then you boys and girls can find us down in Alabama, from June 9th to June 11th. We'll be at the Barber Small Bore. Woo boy! And then to round off the summer, we got August 26th, 2023. That Saturday, we got the Small Bore at the Gorge. That's our very own Kentucky event. Woo boy! Well, we're testing her out now. Think so? I mean, we might not, it might be plugged up. It does sound strong as a lie. It really does. It probably is stopped up, man. We've had to take it back off her and look at the jets and stuff. You know, spray them out. There. Look how much gas is in there real quick. You just did, didn't you? That's right. You can smell that clutch too a lot, you know. You smell all that oil too. It's got plenty of oil in it. Well, we gotta break it in still, so we might have to take it apart. I might have to take it apart and clean it out. You know, the chuck's still on?
No.
Okay. To be continued. Yeah, boy.
I wake up every minute with a fever dream. I put your mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hates like
You look.
You're not trying the crazy stuff you see here on our channel, Mr. Original Concept Garage, as they are always performing on closed off streets. Woo boy!
no hope, you can still go. I never ran, sitting no man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Made you look.
You're not trying the crazy stuff you see here on our channel, Mr. Original Concept Garage, as they are always performing on closed off streets. Woo boy!